breakfast cook up. I've done this at home in the oven with a slightly different method. So I thought I'd try it out here at camp. What you need is, at home I use rashers of bacon, and I sort of set it out a bit differently, but I'm going to use some diced bacon. I've got the barbecue on just to the side here. You need 1 egg, some garlic, some onion, some grated cheese, a bit of olive oil, some hot sauce, and I'm using the hot sauce that I've used before, which is a hot sauce with mango and lemon, and you do that to your own taste. And probably half a tomato. Now normally I use like a small cooking cup or something, but I forgot to bring one with me. So I'm just going to use one of the enamel ones. All you do is coat it in oil, and then basically put your toppings in that, put that in the barbecue, let it cook. At home, that's what I would do, and I would cook the bacon on a hot plate on the side, then add that to it, and I would use thick sliced toast, and that becomes your bacon and eggs. Don't have thick sliced toast, got bread rolls, so I'm just going to toast that up on the side, and I'm going to do the diced bacon now on the barbecue. Put a handful of bacon, a little bit more. Really need some good knives, hey, like, it's starting to annoy me now. So I've just taken the bacon off the barbecue's still running. Diced up the onion, diced up the tomato, a nice bit of garlic. Again, just make this to your own taste. I'm not sure how this is going to work out at camp, but we'll give it a go. Right, so with the cup, I said give it a good oil. It's to prevent everything from sticking to it. Just put all your mixture in the cup. One egg. A little bit of the hot sauce. Good serving of cheese. Actually, there's not much cheese left there, so we may as well just throw all that in. And probably a little bit of salt and pepper. There we go. Now, as you can tell, the barbecue is quite hot. To try to stop this from being in direct contact with the hot plate, I'm just going to leave a pan in there with like a trivet. Close that up for maybe 15 minutes and see how it turns out. Just while that's cooking away, as I said, probably about 15 minutes. Just going to grab a bread roll, cut it in half, butter it up, and with about 5 minutes to go, I'll just put that on the grill on the side and hope that this one turns out. So at home it's probably a little bit different. You can control the temperature of your oven a bit better. So I'll just do some clean up and then should be all ready for breakfast. Rightio, let's see how this turned out. So the bread's done, just going to get a bit more heat into that. Right, let's go. That egg's cooked through. Just show you. I tend to just mix it up a lot so you get everything mixed in there. Wow. The hot sauce has some real kick to it. Devil's breakfast, guys. Hope you enjoy. Leave comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that little bell, and you'll get notification there's a new video out. Again, guys, hope you enjoyed this one and travel safely.